So now we're about to see all the different grasses that are grown out here for golf courses, sports complexes, playing fields, and all the different turf and science and research that goes into it. So check it out.
These are poplar trees. There's 500 different varieties of poplars we're working with, and it's all for the paper industry.
So one of the really cool things they study, of course, at the IFAS farm is blueberries. Them grown and see how they continue to do research on these blueberries to make them better and better. What's cool? Never seen olives grown in Florida before, have you? You gotta love peaches.
So what we have here, these are 2 years old, and the graft union is higher here than on those other plants. We tried to get the graft union up is right here. Now the idea is this could help us with machine harvesting. Okay, we got to figure out a way to produce blueberries more cost effectively if we're going to compete with Mexico.